Hello.
I'm part of that
IQ option
team.
And I'm from Armenia.
Deutschland.
Great Britain.
Italia,
España.
Latvia,
Greece.
France.
Cyprus,
Switzerland,
Russia,
Serbia.
Slovakia,
China.
Scotland,
Egypt.
South Africa.
The United Kingdom.
Lithuania.
And I'm citizen of the world.
Are you looking for a trusted broker? In this video I will talk about the broker that is the market leader in binaries, forex, stocks, commodities, cryptos and much more, all in one ultimate platform. The broker is highly regulated, and by trading on this broker you will not be scammed. The broker has an official Facebook page as well as a website and a cutting-edge mobile platform app, which they have won an award for. The broker I'm about to introduce to you is IQ Option. I will say it's safe to enter this broker because many countries are supported and not restricted by this broker. You have a lot of fellow traders from around the world investing and trading on this ultimate platform. Maybe you have heard about this broker and were skeptical, but you needn't worry because it is a very transparent broker and it is your time to try this platform for the ultimate experience. Why this broker? With the IQ Option trading platform, it can be innovative, user-friendly, and trader-focused. The platform's interface is easy to navigate and appeals to all types of traders, whether novice or experienced. Furthermore, the broker offers free demo account to assist traders master the intricacies of trading risk-free, before starting to trade with a real balance, and not to forget there are risks and losses. The broker's platform has an extensive range of trading assets to choose from, including stocks, commodities, and forex. With over 70 different trading assets, you will not miss to find assets that you are comfortable trading. Regulation of brokers is something to take seriously because it differentiates the scam brokers from the credible brokers. Before opening an account with any broker, you should be sure that your funds are safe and will not disappear somewhere in the internet. For IQ Option, the broker operates under strict regulatory environment. IQ Option Europe Limited is registered at Cyprus, and is regulated by CISEC. IQ Option Limited is registered at St. Vincent and the Grenadines. This entity is not regulated, so you can be sure of dealing with a transparent broker who does not condone fraudulent practices. The other advantage of this broker is that if you have any questions or unsure of anything, you can contact the IQ Option support team, which is available 24/7. They are ready to help you any day of the week. With withdrawals, right from the onset, noticing that the broker's site is user-friendly and free from excessive promotion materials prevalent on other brokers' sites. For making deposits and withdrawals, IQ Option offers various secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal options, including debit and credit cards, MasterCards, Skrill, WebMoney, and NetTeller. Minimum deposit of $10. The broker only requires a low minimum deposit of $10 to start trading on the platform. This is one of the lowest deposits we've seen offered in the industry. So, this gives you the opportunity to try out your trading skills in live market conditions before depositing a big chunk of capital to your trading account. Furthermore, the broker allows a minimum investment of $1 per trade. So you can test the platform with low investments before trading large investments. The broker has a staggering 20 million active traders and counting. With time, the broker is becoming the future platform for the ultimate trading experience. If you are looking for a broker that will sort out your issues fast and professionally, then IQ Option could be the best platform for you. Click the link below to register a free demo account and take this platform for a test run. Now I will show you a live trading demonstration with a real balance. For this demonstration I will use binaries.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head, it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't breathe.